Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a TJ Maxx haul for you. I got some pretty cool stuff and I just thought I'd share it with you. So if you want to see what I got at TJ Maxx, then just keep watching. Okay you guys, so the first thing I got is this super cute t-shirt that I'm wearing right now. It feels soft and it looks old school, and the reason why I like it, it's got this cute little tie here, like everybody's doing the front tuck, and it's just really cute. I love the colors, and I paid $9.99 for it. So I only got 2 clothing items. The next clothing item I got was this super cute shirt. It also has kind of like this little front tuck, and then it's longer in the back, which I absolutely love, and then it's got the 3/4 sleeves. So I thought that was really pretty, and they're starting to sell stuff like this in like all the online boutiques. So I just thought, oh, this one was $16.99. So this was $9.99 and this was $16.99. The next thing I got, I needed a makeup bag for my purse, a new makeup bag. And the one I'm using is currently kind of big, so I thought I'd get something smaller, and I don't want to pay a lot of money for like a little makeup bag. So this one was $4.99, and it's just really cute. It says I've been sheeped. So I haven't transferred anything over yet. So yeah, it's just spacious and enough so you can put your favorite lipsticks and your powder. So yeah, I thought that was a great find. So now that I've showed you, I can go ahead and transfer my stuff over. The next thing I got, which I've had before, but this was such a great deal. I don't know if you guys remember, I did a video on this. I got this free in a influencer box. I got a whole box of Dr. Brandt items, and this is one of the items that I got in there. This was $5. Oh my goodness, it was on clearance. First it was $16.99, then it went to, I don't know, it went somewhere, then it went $7, and then $5. I paid $5 for it. So I've already been using it, and what it is antioxidant water booster. So it's green tea, white tea, and grapeseed extract with concentrated polyphenols. So it's goji and maki berry. I don't know if that's how you say it, but anyways, you shake it up, and then in the morning I get 8 ounces of water, which I drink water all day long, but for my first water I just get 8 ounces, and then it's got a dropper, so you fill it up to the 1 milliliter line, and you just drop it in your water, and it makes your water taste delicious. And then I drink it all, and yeah, it's just supposed to be very healthy for you. There's no sugar, there's no calories, it's all natural. So, and it's calorie free. So, you know, if you're interested in trying this for $5, if they sell it at your TJ Maxx, go get you some. The next thing, I needed a purse hand cream. I'm almost done with my purse hand cream. So I just picked up this one. It looked really nice, and it's coconut. So why isn't it wanting to focus? But anyhow, it's called the A La Mason Coconut Cream Moisturizing Shea Butter and Argan Oil Hand Cream. And I haven't even removed the seal yet. But it was $3.99, which is a great buy for a hand cream. I always used to get my hand creams at Bath & Body, but I just don't shop at Bath & Body anymore. So I don't know why. I think I cut myself somewhere. Fantastic. Okay, that's not going to let me open it, but it smells really good. So that's for my purse. Alright, something my husband actually found for me, which was adorable, and it's for my beauty room. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to put it up yet, but it is so freaking cute. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, that is so me. So I just love it, and I'm excited to have him put it up. And yeah, so the well, actually, this is the second to the last thing. So this was actually such a cool find because I've been wanting to try either this or the Dyson, but I found the T3 Featherweight 2 there at TJ Maxx. And one of my subscribers, Melinda, she just said that she had this blow dryer because she commented on the video that I had just done regarding curling my hair with the flat iron. And she said that it works really well. So I have to say, I did try it the other day, and it's beautiful. Let me show you, because I've already used it. Look at how beautiful this thing is. T3 knows how to make stuff. Look at that. So beautiful. This comes off. I just put this on. Oh, I did cut myself. Okay. Woman bleeding. All right. But anyways, this is incredibly beautiful. It does dry my hair faster, and it was a lot smoother, so that when I went to flat iron my hair, it was so much easier, a lot quicker. My only gripe that I have with it is that it's a little bit heavy, a little bit, and that's only because I have fibromyalgia, and anyways, I don't have a lot of strength and my arms get really tired. But this was $69.99, and I'll put the original. Do they have the original price here? All right, so I actually found it, and the hairdryer goes for $200, and I paid $69.99. So it is definitely a deal. What I'm thinking about doing is possibly, if I can get my hands on a Dyson hairdryer, and kind of battling those two out to see which one actually works faster and is lighter and just the better hairdryer. So one last thing, I got this cute decorator's pillow, and this is not for my beauty room, this is actually for our living room. So it's going on a chair in our living room, and I paid $12.99. And so it's really super cute, and the back is like this. So yeah, isn't that adorable? I just love this pillow. All right, you guys, that is the TJ Maxx haul. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel. And again, if you have any videos that you would like to see or like me to film, please leave those comments down in the comment section, and I'd be happy to do them for you. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.